Jamaica, hey, it's your birthday.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Make you feel like you really want to get yeah. You want to look off your back, look off your back, look off your back, look off your back, look off your back.
He want me to hit him first. That'll happen when he in a hearse. Hey, I drop a pic on the gram. Ay, now he come with the thirst. Click, click, pose. Oh.
Y'all is dry. Y'all is dry. I think I'm gonna get it personal. How y'all feeling right now? On a scale of 1 to 10.
To a pool and yes. Drinks and some.
Yes, and food.
Why don't you get that little tiny chair?
Yeah, how hold this? I can't have this. Cause I like this.
And then you right by the door. Trying to fly out. We're going to Breathless.
Breathless?
Yeah.
Y'all, it is so hot. I'm burning up.
Is
she trying to tell me touch this? I get icky. Like I can't like touch like
just seatbelt.
I don't know. It's not like a germaphobe, but it's just like I get the heebie-jeebies. First of all, oh my god, we done made it to our destination. I didn't even tell y'all where I was at yet because I'm gonna wait till I get to the hotel and show y'all. But girl, this has just been so much. Like literally going out of the country is like so much. Like let me take off my mask so I can talk to y'all. Child, y'all will not even believe. First of all, okay, y'all won't even believe what's going on right now. Y'all won't even believe it. First of all, I'm vlogging off my phone because I just got a new camera today and my camera broke actually. Literally, I don't know if I'm gonna put that clip in that I last vlogged on my old camera, but if I put it in, obviously y'all already seen it. But literally, I was in between of vlogging that clip and my camera fell like on the passenger floor or like the passenger side. It fell on the passenger side and literally it literally turned off. It broke. Like the viewfinder, I'm gonna show y'all when I get in the house, but the viewfinder is broke. Like it won't turn on. I was telling y'all in that clip that like I had a stuffy nose and like I was sick and like literally y'all, my trip is like this week. Like this weekend, I'm supposed to be going on my birthday trip. So first of all, here's the gag. Okay, here's the gag. This morning, my cousin tested positive for COVID, right? And so that just had everybody tripped up, like, what's going on? And she just had like a sore throat. Like she started off with sore throat, she got tested today, and it was like, you positive. So that got everybody tripped up. And of course, me having a stuffy nose,
Girl, you was just with her too.
No.
Get to put that out.
I was with her. But we was all with her because
no, y'all was one at the play.
But it don't matter because you already know this. She keeps saying I was around her for the play, but you were around her too. It doesn't matter. We was all around her, breathing in the same air. Thanksgiving. So
but you went to the play way after Thanksgiving.
No, it was the day after because I had them braids. The braids that I did. It was the day after. So I don't even know why she's trying to use that as an excuse. And first of all, my cousin, she gets tested weekly because for her profession, she has to get tested weekly. For that play, we had to get tested or either have a vaccination card, okay? And she was negative, so that doesn't even count. So yeah, she was fine back then, but now, you know, she had a thing. So I got tested today. Today is Monday. I'm gonna put in the date and all that. I had to get tested today. Well, I didn't have to, but I decided to because just in case, you know, something was wrong, we could cancel our reservations for the hotel and, you know, where I'm going to my trip. We could just cancel that and get the money back. I was already scheduled to get a COVID test because I had to take one anyway for the trip, you know, but I was gonna take it tomorrow, which is Tuesday. But I just decided to take it today because today was the deal breaker of if you can get your money back or not, you know, if you had to cancel it. But y'all, your girl is negative. Your girl is negative, so don't even play with her. She's not one of them at all.
Have you cried when you got your nose?
Yes, I did. And I really should have recorded it because that one was not good. That one was not good. I don't like when people do it to me. Like, y'all seen when I went to Puerto Rico, I got to do it myself. And I was just easy breezy cool with that. But the fact that, like, I don't like when somebody else has to do it because that mess, it wasn't too far up, but it was like, I don't know. I was like, my eyes was watering. I had to sneeze, all this other stuff. But yeah, but I want to tell y'all this. I did take 2 of them. So I got the rapid one and I got the one that take like 2 to 4 days. These speed bumps is killing me. Yeah, he went through like a whole scan of everything, how I've been feeling and stuff, and he was like, yeah, you're perfect. My breathing, lungs sound fine. I told him I don't have like the major COVID symptoms. Literally all I had was a runny nose, like a stuffy nose, like congestion. So yeah, he was like, he could tell that like it's getting out of me, like because I'm at like the last stage of it. I told you I had this literally last week. He basically said I was cool, I was fine. So because girl, I was about to be sad because hello, this is my birthday trip. Like it's in like literally like the weekend is coming and I need to be set and perfect. Like I wasn't taking no for an answer. So we back to regular scheduled program, but I'm gonna still lay low for the rest of this week because that's what I was ordered to do until this get out of me. But literally it's at the end stage, so I'm about to just be, you know, taking some hot baths and drinking some more tea just to like help it, you know, get out. I can breathe through my nose. Like I don't have trouble breathing through my nose anymore. But it's just like a little stuffiness, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the girl was happy. I'm super happy. I need to get in the house because I need to do a final. My final is due literally tomorrow. So yeah, girl, anyway, that is just crazy. I got a new camera, so I'm gonna set that camera up and show y'all. I'm gonna go back to my new camera, and I actually switched to Sony, girl. I finally did it. I know y'all, I was talking to y'all about it, like me switching and like all that. So since my camera broke, I was like, girl, I need that camera for the trip and for all the rest of December. That's why I haven't been uploading quick, because obviously I've been dealing with this and because my camera has been broke. So got a new camera. And yeah, the trip is coming out. But yeah, your girl is cool. So we just living life. I'm just here living life. What Courtney say? The TikTok? You know, I'm just here living life. Alright, y'all. Bye. Truly, you gotta go through so much. But look at this. This is the neighborhood.
First time coming here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yo, look.
Is it true? Can you go and jump over there? Huh?
Huh?
Yes, come to look at the country and go back.
Yeah.
You understand what I just said?
No, say it again.
No, what did you say? Say it again.
I'm learning some language here. I'm not wasting this trip. I'm learning some language.
What's the language here called again?
Huh?
What's the language?
What language?
Jamaican. It's like
We talk patois.
patois. That's what it is.
Y'all, it's so nice here. I love this. You can really see like the...
Say that again.
You have anywhere in mind?
Yeah, we booked it online.
What you booked online? What's the name of that?
I gotta look at it. I don't know.
We're going to a resort, so we're not really staying on like the neighborhood areas, but it is so nice. I love seeing like the real life of the place. But y'all, it is so hot. It is so hot. I got this all black on and a sweatshirt. I'm burning up. We about to turn up. We about to have some fun, girl. Are you ready? Cause it's on. Okay, period. But yeah, we're on our way to the resort, to the hotel. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And then after that, we're gonna change, get some food, finally eat, you know, get settled in. Look at this skin, boo. Okay. Yeah, get into it. And also, y'all, we drive on the right side. Okay. which is so weird. Like, we be driving over here. They drive over here. So tired. Y'all, we cheers in.
Ready?
Cheers.
Set.
Oh wait, she's doing boomerang. Y'all, they give us a complimentary champagne right when you come in the door, honey.
Wait, put it together. Ready, set, go.
Alright, let's taste. Let me taste this.
Wait, that's a fork. It's like a drive away.
No. Oh, no, I don't like the Atvs. I'm okay. We is in our hotel and it's so cute in here. Ah! I need to show y'all a room tour, but this hotel is so cute. Child, it took a minute to get here, but we here. Period. Look at the beds, y'all. Look at that shower. Okay. Thank you.
Alright, take it in.
Yes, I'm taking it in.
Alright, no problem.
This is so nice. Like, for real. This all I'm gonna say. This all I'm gonna say is that butler. Yes, child, I can breathe.
Guys, finally, we can breathe. We got fruits.
No, I really thought that was fake.
I'm about to
I'm like, sir, you.
wash my hands.
Yes. Y'all, look at this shower. Okay, let me tell y'all something. No, let's start from the beginning. It's gonna be a quick little room tour. So you first walk in, here's the door, right? You come in, you straight see this, right? So you got over here, it's this little opening where, so don't you put like food here if they need to take it? Then you put it right here. Yeah, so I forgot where this goes. Ooh, it's right there. Closet space, so you open this up. It's a big door, y'all, like huge, tall door. And you got your robes, your slippers, whatever you really need. Closet space, drawers, whatever, but we don't really use that. Then you have another closet area, storage area, and then it is the bathroom or like vanity area. So here's the bathroom. They give you a cute little stool. First of all, I've never seen this in any hotel. They give you like a stool to sit and you can do your makeup. Look at this huge mirror. You can do your makeup or you can just get ready. Obviously a cute little setup. Really cute. It's giving, okay? We got double sinks so we can use, you know, one can go here, one can go there. Boom, boom, bang. The biggest mirror ever, okay? Then over here you have the toilet. So it's like a little room for the toilet. I kind of like this because it's like ducked off.
It's good.
Oh, you tried it?
Yes.
It's like ducked off. You know, you got your own little space. You can't see through the door. Like, I really like this. It's like your own little, you know, it's your own little area for you to do what you gotta do. And then, y'all, the best thing in the world is the shower. I love that it's like see-through because it just looked like it's not even here. You know what I'm saying? So you have the shower, you have a overhead shower head, and then you have the regular shower head right here. You got a little sitting area if you need to sit, wash up, do whatever you need to do. And they give you obviously shampoo, conditioner, and all that stuff. And yeah, so here it is. This is the shower. Like, I'm in the shower. Like, what? Okay. So yeah, that I really, really like that. I like that area. And they even give you a little bath mat if you don't want to, you know, touch the ground with your feet. Like, yes. Then we got the beds. We love it. We love the beds. 2 double beds. The TV. This little area is like the bar, refrigerator, a safe, stuff like that. And then you got your little tea, coffee maker. They give you a few little teas, mugs, snacks, drink, okay? Yeah. And they, like I told y'all, this is what, wine? Yeah, they gave us a complimentary wine. And they also gave us some fruit, which y'all, I really thought that this was like fake at first. Like I'm like, is that even real? Like, is that staged? Y'all, these little press-ons, child, I need to finish them now before Suda get up here and then be like messed up. Yeah. Y'all, I can't with these. I thought they was gonna turn out cute, which I don't know how they looking now.
You should try it.
Honey, that honey, that thing look like a mushroom, and I'm good. Okay, no, we can't be bland. We can't be bland. We gotta try all things.
I already tried this one. You ain't gonna like that one.
Wait, which one?
This one. I think it's papaya.
And what is that? Coconut? Because I definitely don't want that.
No, it's hard though. I don't know what this one is. This pineapple.
That look like, yeah.
This is cantaloupe.
Okay, and which one? But they don't got no mango.
This one was mango.
Mango, yeah. But that look like cantaloupe like too.
You try it first, and then I.
No, I'm okay. I'm
because
okay.
I tried the other one first. Come on, Shann. Look, you try that piece right there.
That?
Yes.
Wait, let me wash my hands too. Wait, we're supposed to eat it together. Is it good?
It's actually good.
Brianna, if you're lying, if you're lying.
She's being so dramatic. This is what it look like. Girl! Shannon.
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. It tastes like cinnamon apple. But I'm okay.
Cinnamon apple? Lord. This one is really...
No, it ain't bad though.
I was trying to figure out what this is because I tried it.
It ain't bad though.
And it's real crunchy, but it don't have no flavor.
Wait, what you wash your hands?
You gotta try it.
Shannon, don't kill me. I touched your nail. I didn't know it was wet. I didn't know it was wet.
It's called knees burn.
It's very
Knees burn. It tastes good.
What is it?
Oh, that's why I said it's good. That's why I said it's bad.
Knees burn. That's a real good.
It's different.
Yeah, it's different.
This time they get lit.
That is so hot.
And I got.
I'm doing that.
I said Scooter. I'm saying Scooter is the one that's
one
puff because I ain't giving it to you.
That's fine. I don't want it. I don't want that. I don't want that. Yo, look how beautiful. It's so pretty. Yo, if y'all haven't been to Jamaica, okay, y'all need to come. So it's the morning time. It's the next day. Hey, y'all, what's good? Yo, I don't even know the last time I talked to y'all, but last night, y'all, child, we're back, okay? Yes. We. Me and my people. Me and my girls. Me and my gals. Got the camera together, child. I had to get a different Sims card because that Sims card was out of space. So I'm gonna clear my clips out today. Cause girl, we got a lot of stuff to do. Anyway, y'all, we at breakfast right now. It's so hot. Like literally, I'm sweating. I'm getting all this vitamin D. I got me some orange juice.
Did you eat anything? Because we got a long day.
Yes. And I mean a lot of bread. I ate hash browns. It was really good. 2 of them. Not you look dry and sleepy.
You need to wakey bakey.
Y'all, let's say how our day is been going. We at breakfast. I got me. My plate look crazy because before I got my new Sims card, I never showed the food. Okay. But the skin is on blue. Let me show y'all the outfit of the day. I got this set. Yo, my nail just came off, child. It's okay. I'm gonna glue it back on when I get in the hotel. But I'll show y'all my outfit. So I got this set from Amazon, girl. So cute. Matching set. Because we're doing ATVs today. We are in the car. Can you turn down the music just a little bit? Turn it down just a little bit. I don't want to get copyrighted in my video.
Okay. Oh, I understand.
Yeah. We are in the truck. About to go to ATVs and river rafting. We're gonna do river rafting first, then ATVs. I got no makeup on, but it's fine. Oh my god, I look crazy with this one-liner. And I'm just excited, girl. How does everybody feel? Are they excited?
Excited. Yes.
Excited. I got Bree here, Scoop, and Tom. Because you never said hi to my video. We excited, y'all. We doing river rafting first. I'm gonna change my outfit. This is my ATV outfit. I just got this short set on that I showed y'all. But I got a little skirt y'all gonna see for river rafting. And they gonna set up the little river raft for my birthday.
Look at that. Is that a cow?
Let me see.
That's a cow.
What?
A cattle.
Cattle.
What?
Say, do they just be walking
You
free?
can
But
roll
they...
down the windows if you want. Use it for meat.
See that?
Oh.
Meat?
To make the patties.
Oh, that's kind of
Beef.
sick. Oh,
Exactly.
That's where beef is made.
I don't eat that.
I don't eat beef
beef?
either. No. No, that's why I'm about to be vegan. I'm about to be vegan for real. That's so sad. But yeah, we on our way, y'all. And it's just gonna be lit. I cleared up my camera, so now we on. I never showed y'all my nails. I finished them. As y'all know, I did them on the plane, girl, because I needed my nails to be done. So I did them in Jamaican style.
Songs that we are teach the Americans. One. It's like, what's up?
What's up? 1-1. 1-1.
Done. 1-1. Oh yeah, I know all the slang now.
They literally make this by hand. Bamboo. That's so nice.
Yeah, I'm telling you to call you. I'm not calling him, I'm telling you to call you. Like when the boog.
Are y'all ready?
Hey, we ready.
And Brianna too. Don't be getting me looking crazy.
We need to take pictures together. Yes.
You think the white thing? I think the white thing looks better than the black one.
The bee.
No, you're not gonna trouble you, alright?
I don't like bees.
As long as you don't trouble you.
I was getting the birthday one. That's mine.
Oh, the birthday one is yours? Okay.
So you gave us the wrong message.
You're right here. You're right here. So come now.
Oh, y'all right there.
Who's the birthday girl?
Yes. This is so much. Y'all, they said, oh my god.
Take it. What are you talking?
Oh, this is scary.
Me too. Alright.
Here you go.
So enjoy.
Thank you. I cannot believe they. Oh, he just said it. He just said Bumble Clock. No, he did.
The word of expression, not a bad word, okay?
I heard it was a bad word.
But hey, trust me, if I off my toe right now on the raft, you're gonna hear me say that.
She gonna be
Y'all, look.
You know,
Alright, I gotta change. I kind of want to change my.
girl. That's why you should have did it in the car.
Yes.
Bamboo.
Bamboo. Jazz. Okay.
Okay.
Look at that. Yes.
Your birthday, so you gotta.
This is giving. Brie, look how cute we look.
Yes.
That was the same thing I was saying.
It say happy birthday, y'all.
Yes.
And they put flowers and everything around it. We got flowers on the side. Oh, it's so pretty.
Yo, I order that work. I wanna. Nice work. Not ten work. Yeah, I order that work. Nice work.
I love it here.
Nice work. You better feel me too.
You can drink.
I can drink the water if I want.
Wow.
I can do anything I want.
Yeah.
This water is free. So, introduce yourself to me.
Okay. I'm Shannon,
Shannon.
the birthday girl.
All right, Shannon. That's a name I'm familiar with.
Oh yeah.
I know a Shannon Legister. She used to be my classmate.
Oh.
She comes from a place called Negril. That's one of the
Negril?
greatest tourist attraction you can ever find.
Wow.
So if you want to see the best sunset,
Yeah.
tell this girl bring you to Negril.
Okay.
Okay.
Trust me.
Brianna.
Brianna?
Yeah.
Wow. Brianna. Brianna, no, I'm familiar with.
Yeah.
Brianna because a lot of people tend to name their daughter Brianna.
Brianna.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, so I remember you. Shannon. Hey, Shannon.
Oh, this is so cute.
In Jamaica, man would put the flowers behind it.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna cry. Yeah.
This is yours.
Oh, thank you.
This is beautiful.
It
for
is
real.
beautiful.
Easy service.
So you're not a photo type, you're not fancy pictures. If you care for anything to drink, like Red Stripe,
Yeah, I do want to hold this. Yeah, you got it down pat.
release one of your hand and let it free. Yeah, yeah. Put it on your hip or anywhere.
Take one leg up, girl, and then you take the next one up.
Yeah, that's cute, Shannon.
Oh, you can see the tag? Or no?
I wish you the best.
You can see the flag.
Don't rush it, don't.
That's cute. I know you got 1,000 pictures.
Jamaican money. Yes. Yo, this is so cute. I feel so cute. Sis and bro is over there on the other one, so we can be riding all together. It's a tour, y'all. I'm super excited.
Here's your raft tie.
Happy birthday to me. Ah. Look at Brie. Brie popping, okay, period.
Yeah, go right through the entire system.
Wow.
Purify everything.
Straws, y'all. Ready? Let's try it.
I didn't feel like you even said the one put me on. Like it's gonna be real nasty.
Makes you good, Shannon. Shannon doesn't like it. It's natural.
Natural.
Hold on to this.
It don't even taste like nothing. It actually is kind of good. It's sweet.
It is good. Try
Work
it.
it.
No, yeah, let's try it.
Work the shoe.
That's sugar cane, right?
What is sugar cane?
Sugar cane is
So
what
try
they used to
give
make
you with
rum,
lime.
sugar, vinegar, and also molasses.
All of that
comes
come from
this
sugar
one.
Hey, girl. Oh. What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. Who you around with? on no game. Anytime you're ready, girl, on the name. The place make me fly. In a rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She say I saw the love, the act. Face fine, sweet and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the track, come wine till you broke off your back. Broke off your back, broke off your back.
So chew it.
Chew it like that. What it tastes like? Good, ain't it?
What do you think?
Sweet.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it's not that sweet. It's not sweet like that.
Alright, listen, I'm gonna
But it's good.
lower. I'm gonna lower.
I'm gonna try the one with the lime.
Try the piece with the lime.
What's that?
Damn good.
The cane and the lime, what it tastes like?
I like it. It tastes like kind of like lemonade, kind of.
Yeah.
I like chewing it and then like spitting it out. It's like refreshing a little bit. You got more lime? Or no? Can I get some more here? Thank you.
Best look out of your skin. Leave the skin with a soft feeling. Anything that affects your skin, this is good for it, okay? So this is something.
So this what y'all be using on y'all skin?
Yeah, for real.
What is that called again?
Limestone. So.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find you, I give you what you need, I know what you like. I didn't call me. Tell me something, yes, yes. I got to teach you. But I need some answers. I need to get it on. I got to live before I go. I don't know why.
I like the sugar cane.
How do you feel about the coconut?
The coconut water is actually pretty good. I usually don't like
refreshing.
it. Yeah, it's refreshing.
Yeah, it don't
and
taste
have
like
a bad taste, like how it is at home, kind of.
Yeah.
Y'all see that? Jerk chicken, rice and peas, and fries. Y'all, look how beautiful it looks. So we're at Atvs. I'm about to sign in. I'm so excited, y'all. That water, look at that water, y'all. It is so blue. Like clear and blue. So y'all, that's where they do zip lining and horseback riding. Thank you. I could have did that with him. I'm just scared. Zip lining, because I really do want to do it. I'm just scared. Oh yeah. We didn't book this one. We booked ATV and river rafting. And then tomorrow, I think we're doing something else tomorrow. I don't know. Yo, we're getting ready to do ATV again. I can barely hear, but. Gang, gang. ATV. This is my outfit, y'all. And I had to vlog on my phone because your girl camera died, okay? And I didn't bring my second camera. It's in the hotel.
Alright, today we're going to be traveling through some of the 600 acres of the Blue Hole Estates, which are owned and operated by the Biles family. Now, while we are on tour today, some of you guys bring your phones, you bring them at your own risk. Not saying anything will or won't happen to them, you just have to ensure you let it happen. Yeah, man? Work off this. Alright, now here at Chopper, safety is #1. So we never go riding or driving without the use of our safety helmet. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Let's go, baby. Let's get it.
Y'all, we is on our way to get some food.
I was on the balcony calling y'all name to see if y'all can hear me.
Oh no, we definitely hear you.
I was like, bro.
Well, we wasn't outside, but we definitely ain't hear you. Anyway, we going to get some food. We trying this spot called. Okay, first of all, I never even told y'all the resort. I don't think, but we on a resort called Breathless, Montego Bay.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Oh, baby. Hey. No, baby. Hey.
We about to pop some champagne.
So, bring this down. First off, where you aim. So, you untwist it. Then you shake it. And then you pop it. Okay?
You know my way to pop it?
Yeah, twist the thing off first. And be careful with my eye.
Yes. You go ahead and aim it.
Yeah, like how? Don't aim right here. That thing gonna pop back.
Yes.
I know. That's kind of scary.
Everything is scary to you. So the minute that you unscrewed it, it popped off?
Yes.
You can push it?
Girl, I only got the end. Because I did not know you was about to pop it.
I didn't know either. I didn't get to play the music.
Cool. It literally popped. I did not do anything. I untwisted it and it went boom.
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Are you gonna drink the champagne?
This is crazy. We didn't even know it was gonna pop out like that. Ugh. It's disgusting.
Ain't nothing new now. Ain't nothing new now. Ain't nothing new now. Rapping, I know what you're drinking. Rapping, I know what you're drinking. And you ain't into all that. I heard you live. You ain't into all that. I heard you live.
Y'all, look at all these fruits. Are you gonna try that, Brie? Oh my god, kiwi. I love kiwi. Y'all, their fruit is like the best fruit.
Oh, I see. You're trying peas as well, my lady, or no? You want to try peas? Yes, try one, Shannon. You also have salsa. And then you want an orange?
Yeah, I want a kiwi. Yeah, and an orange.
For you? Yeah, I'm gonna get an orange.
There's an orange?
And a tangerine.
Y'all, so beautiful. I'm so ready for some food. Ooh, they look so good. Y'all, we are changing rooms right now because we want to. Y'all, we're changing rooms right now because they told us to close our eyes too. So.
Walk into you gotta turn
Y'all, we're changing. Ooh, it is cute in here. Look at the artwork. Yo, look at this room. You got this in here. It's so cute. This is the bathroom. So you walk in here and you can use the bathroom. Look at that big flat screen TV. Okay, period. Yo, this is so cute. And this is the swim out. Y'all, so we have a swim out. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I love it. You got like a whole little patio and everything. Look at the jacuzzi, y'all. You got a jacuzzi, so you step up. Boom. Like 4 or 5 people can fit in here. Maybe even more than that. So many people can fit in here. This is the one. Okay? So beautiful. I'm gonna get right in here, y'all. Breathless Montego Bay Resort. It's beautiful. I love this swim out.
Okay, you guys, so I'm getting in the pool. 1, 2, 3. Jumped in. Shannon has a whole outdoor dressing room. Like, this is it. This girl crazy.
Why do I always do that?
Like,
wait,
always.
All right, hold on. Until
you get that together.
What the heck? How do people late on this? It's so cold. Yo, LA, you don't gotta act like a movie producer. It's a vlog.
Yes, I do. How do they even lay on this?
So cool.
Are you two on a pedal boat?
Yes.
That's not jumping in.
I know. I'm trying to see if it's the same. I'm trying to see if it's the same. Yes. We're gonna get right here.
All right.
This is cold right here. Ready? Go! She's gonna try to push me.
I tried to body slam you.
I did.
Yeah, no.
Ready?
Set.
When y'all jump and y'all don't see y'all go in.
But that might be lit though.
Okay.
Once I get to Atlanta, that's it.
So, my dinner.
Is it running?
What you think?
It's recording now?
Yeah.
We had dinner
The whole time?
I don't really like tomatoes like that. It's my outfit of the day, boo. It's real cute. I'm gonna get some pictures in this. And it's all the way to the ground. Trying to decide these pictures, y'all. I cannot get it. It's just crazy. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. Here's my food. Is it too saucy? That's the only thing I don't like. I don't really like Alfredo.
Yeah, I don't know why it has like an Alfredo taste.
Instead of Jamaican. Yeah. Not bad, but you'll literally love it because it's literally Alfredo. Yeah. It does taste good though, I will say. But we wanted more Jamaicanness. Yeah, and like different colors, right? Yeah. I just wish we could have one more day. We can get in the pool again.
Where's the next one?
You can just give it to me. Thank you. Alright, y'all. So we just got back home. Sad. Literally so sad, but we just got back home. So I'm gonna end this video out here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, girl. All of that. Cap season, cap gang. All my girls know we about to turn up. Okay. Jamaica was amazing. I loved it. I'm definitely coming back to Jamaica, y'all, because it was just the best experience. Like, I love this is like my top favorite birthday trip. Everybody that was here, like, we just had so much fun, like, for real. So definitely one of my favorite trips by far, like top #1. And I'm just excited for my birthday. So
once again, if you're waiting in a wheelchair, we do apologize. They're not here yet. They know that you are here, so hopefully it won't be long.
We'll try and make this vlog. It was all over the place. It was crazy. It was lit. It was fun. And yeah. Bye, y'all.